Have you ever wondered who might be the most dangerous predator on Earth? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? When we think of predators, we often picture lions, sharks, or perhaps a stealthy owl swooping down on its unsuspecting prey. But the reality is, the most dangerous predator might be closer than you think. Yes, we're talking about ourselves, humans. It's not something we often consider, is it? But when you stop to think about it, it's not all that surprising. Humans, with our ability to strategize, to manipulate, to invent, and to destroy, certainly qualify as potent predators. We have the capacity to be both incredibly creative and incredibly destructive. There's no denying that we've harnessed the power of the world around us in astonishing ways. But with that power comes a level of danger. So who are the least dangerous predators among us? Let's dive in to find out. The least dangerous human predators are those who harm unintentionally through ignorance or carelessness. Consider the person who leaves their car idling while they run into the store. They may not realize that these small actions contribute to air pollution, which can harm both humans and wildlife. Or think about the average consumer who opts for cheap, mass-produced goods, unaware that their choices may be fueling deforestation and habitat loss for countless species. Then there's the well-meaning homeowner who sets out poison for pests, unintentionally endangering local wildlife and disrupting delicate ecosystems. And let's not forget about those who discard their waste thoughtlessly, causing harm to our oceans and the life within them. These actions, while not deliberately harmful, can have devastating effects on our planet. The ripple effect of our choices can be far-reaching, often impacting those who are most vulnerable. Moving on, the danger level increases as we go up the predator ladder. Next up, we have those who cause harm knowingly, but without malicious intent. These are the moderately dangerous predators, the hunters and fishermen who kill for survival or sport. They venture into the wild, armed with sophisticated tools and a primal instinct, their sights set on their prey. They may not intend to be villains of this narrative. Some even operate under the umbrella of tradition or necessity. But it's important to understand that their actions can have consequences that ripple far beyond the individual prey. Consider the hunter, tracking a deer through the forest. Each time an arrow finds its mark, it's not just one life that's affected. The balance of the ecosystem shifts subtly, a silent echo reverberating through the interlinked web of life. The same goes for the fisherman, casting his line into the water. Every catch that's hauled in changes the aquatic hierarchy, disturbing a delicate equilibrium. As we ascend the ladder, we encounter the most dangerous predators of all. At the top of the predator ladder, we find those who cause harm intentionally and with full knowledge of the consequences. Consider poachers, for instance. These individuals ruthlessly kill or capture animals for profit, often driving species to the brink of extinction. Their actions are not driven by hunger or survival but by greed. They knowingly disrupt the balance of nature, causing irreversible harm to our planet's biodiversity. Let's also not forget about traffickers. These predators are responsible for the illegal trade of animals, again, for pure monetary gain. They rip families apart, causing immeasurable pain and suffering. But it's not just animals that fall victim to these predators. There are individuals who commit acts of violence against other humans, wreaking havoc within societies. These predators are perhaps the most dangerous, as their actions are driven not by instinct, but by a conscious choice to inflict harm. These are the most dangerous predators among us, causing harm on a scale far beyond what any other animal is capable of. So we've journeyed up the predator ladder, from the least to the most dangerous. What have we learned? We've seen that humans can range from being mild predators, causing little harm, to extreme predators, capable of causing severe damage. We started with the least dangerous types, those who might unintentionally cause harm due to ignorance or lack of understanding. From there, we moved up to moderately dangerous predators, individuals who may cause harm deliberately, but not to the point of severe damage. Then we ascended to the top of the ladder, to the most dangerous predators. These are individuals who, with intent, cause extreme harm and devastation. We've observed that the level of harm caused by a predator greatly depends on their intentions and actions. The truth is, we are all capable of causing harm, but we are also capable of change. So the question remains, what kind of predator will you choose to be?